Hey, what's going on guys? Chris back with you with another unboxing and review video. And this is for the Kyvol, the ultrasonic cool mist humidifier. This is the Vigoair HD3 model. And if you guys are subscribers of the channel, I've already done the company's air fryer and it works great. Loving the results on that, by the way. So if you live in a dry climate and your hands are chalky, you definitely probably want to try this out. Have this in your room, have this in your office, wherever you might be, just to put a little bit more moisture in the air. You might get a better night's sleep. Every person ranges a little bit differently, but my hands and skin get very dry, so I'm looking forward to this. We're looking at a rated power of minimum 15 watts to a max of 30 watts. Tank capacity is 4.5 liters or 1.18 gallons. You have a wide coverage of 40 meters squared, which is 430 square feet. So perfect for a bedroom, a large living room area. It's whisper quiet, ultra long running time, and again, a large capacity water storage. That again is 4.5 liters, 1.18 gallons. It does come in a couple different colors as well, white and kind of a gunmetal gray black. So it depends on your motif of your home. I will have those linked in the description box below. You guys can read more about it. Pick one up yourself. You guys in the UK, if they sell it in the UK, I will have you linked as well. If not, one very similar to it. Let's get it out of the box. Now, something to keep in mind if you have it available, it's going to keep your device lasting definitely a little bit longer if you have reverse osmosis water or soft water. If you have very hard minerals in your water, over the lifetime it can get clogged, so use reverse osmosis water if you want, or if your water is softer, definitely use that. Again, over time, doesn't matter what the device is, hard water can clog it up, just like clogging up your Keurig machine, etc. So let's get this plastic bag off of here. And something to keep in mind with humidifiers is that they do not want you to put any essential oil in this. This is only for water. You also have your user manual here with a sponge, and it looks like a cleaning brush there as well. And that is a dust-proof sponge with the cleaning tool. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and remove this sticker here, and let's take a closer look at the unit. All right, so we have the top spout right here, which actually rotates, so you can go ahead and rotate that whatever direction you want, and the mist will obviously come out the top right there. The whole entire top portion lifts up, and you have the undercover here, and then you have your handle for transportation to go ahead and fill that capacity jug up there. Here is your bottom area here, so that separates from there with your bottom pieces here, as we can see. And this location down here at the bottom, so this is where you would put the water in. At the top here, it has a symbol for do not put the water in right up top right here. So go ahead and fill it up and then screw that back in there. And then what you do after, just make sure the front logo is lined up, and that's gonna be the front of it here. If you are wondering, the plug from this tip to this tip is a guesstimation about a 5-foot plug or so, if you are wondering. And let's go ahead and look at the front of the unit here. We have off, on, and we have a minimum logo, so that's like the minimum amount, and it clicks right there if you heard that. That's the minimum amount of mist, and then obviously all the way around this side would be the max amount of mist that is gonna come out of the humidifier. You have an indication LED light right here, and your dust-proof filter sponge right here with an extra one that we already saw. That is removable. You can clean that, dry that, and then put that back in right here at the bottom. Latches up there. And this right here is your odor filter right there. So it has all these like small circular beads looking type of objects in there, and that is gonna be your odor filter. So let's go ahead and fill this guy up and take it through the test runs. All right, now when you're lifting it off to refill it, there will be some water down below still, unless you've totally exhausted your resources. So take a little towel if you do get some drips, but again, it's just water. But after you refill it, let me show you now, the bottom of my jug here, after I refilled it, you just use the appropriated handle here on the top, and it's completely full, or I'd say about maybe 80% full. And then all you do is seat it back into the compartment there, and now it's triggering and going down into the area here. And then just go ahead and put on your top cap there. Now I've had this next to the bed here, but of course you could put it up on top of your stand there. I've also had it on top of this as well, pretty close to my bed here. I sleep right here. Now something to keep in mind, this is great for summertime because I actually have it on pretty high actually, and it blows a nice mist. And it actually kept me really nice and cool in the evening time. Now wintertime, you might not want that, so you might want to put that a little bit further away or lower for the power of the mist. So let's go ahead and put this up so we can view it a little bit closer. So all we're gonna do here is we're gonna turn it on. The green indicator light is gonna go on there. I typically slept with it about right down here. Let's go ahead and put a dark book behind so we can see it a little bit better off of the white wall there. Nice mist blowing through. Now I wanna give you guys a little tip here. Notice how this little notch is in back right here. Now if you put that back on wrongly, so let me go ahead and lift that up and switch that around so the front notch is facing this way here. Even if you have this nozzle brought around, it mists out through here. This is supposed to go this direction here, so the little notch is back over here. So keep that in mind, and then you won't get any mist out from this area here. It will seal a lot better with a nice mist. Now again, that is gonna be shooting right on top. Again, a little tricky to see, but as you can see, it's going pretty high up in the air there against the black book there, as we can see. And what that's doing is that's going all the way down where I'm sleeping right here if you want it nice and close to you. Again, I can already feel the mist in the air. Summertime, this is definitely a must. Wintertime, you could put it on the other side of the room, etc., a little bit more away from where you're sleeping if that bothers you. If not, it's very nice. Now, something I really enjoyed is after sleeping with this, I wake up and I don't feel like I need to blow my nose first thing. Typically, I would use the restroom and then just blow my nose. With this, it's almost like I'm breathing in some fresh, pure air type of thing, you know? I know it's just mist, but it gives my nose canal, it might be just me, but I typically felt like I needed to blow my nose less, which was nice. And so what I really like about it, it's super quiet. It gives you a very, very slight, I don't even know if the microphone's gonna be able to pick that up. It is super quiet, so you're gonna be able to sleep. The indicator light is very subtle and it lasts a long time. Now, obviously, the higher you go, you're gonna run out of water quicker. Pretty simple to go ahead and refill that. Run this 24 hours or run it just during the evening, nighttime. I actually just ran it, so what I would do is I would turn it on before bed, turn it off in the morning. I'll leave that up to you. But overall, I'm very happy with it. The company makes solid products just like my air fryer. I'll link that video at the end of this video as well. If you guys want to read more about it, get your hands on one of these air purifiers, look in the description box below. I'm going to have the exact same one linked. Read more about it, pick it up yourself, but please don't go into debt for anything that I make a review video about. If you have the cash and it intrigues you, go ahead and purchase on the way. If you wouldn't mind, hit that thumbs up button on the way out as well. It helps support the channel, and subscribe for more awesome videos. We'll see you in the next video. My name's Chris. Take care for now. Bye-bye. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch, and we'll see you soon.